Ours are better.
Round
Yeah,
5,
like the
doing
bigger
some
ones.
of the sparklers while we wait.
Oh, I don't like those ones.
Grab one.
I don't like those.
These
Dude,
don't hurt.
I like to do
don't
a
hurt.
wand. They don't hurt at all.
Alright, everybody stick your point in. Like, touching each other. Okay, alright.
This is
Shut
so
up,
weird.
shut up. Alright.
They're almost black things with little balls on the end touching.
Noah!
Oh, don't blame
Alright,
me.
go
I
out,
have a
Kayla,
dink.
go out.
I have a dink name. I mean, a dink mine.
Look it! It's a magic wand!
Fireball jutsu.
Don't get near the, Don't get near the...
Mama, look out! Yeah, these are the small ones. Now you have to hold it like the red.
No! My God, Leah!
These are the ones that...
tape up there.
What?
Why leave the tape up there?
No,
Are you sure?
it's right here.
I'm about to throw mine. See what it does.
No.
Ah!
Pick it up. It's not gonna hurt you.
No, it started burning me.
Well, that's your fault.
There it went out.
I'm done. Yeah, I got it old and pressed.
Hot! Okay, I'm not picking mine back up.
Don't get that close to me because it's hot.
That old
I need another
crusty,
one.
bendy one now.
I
Whoa,
need
what are
another
you
one.
doing? He's taping a bunch together. He's
Do you
making a
have any-
lightsaber.
You have any?
It's like a lightsaber now.
Noah. Become a Jedi.
Yes.
Be careful.
Oh, these are like the performers.
Sorry about all these rounds. They are going to be more.
Those
It's supposed to be 4th of July, which means 4th round 2, last round, which is 4th. But we didn't do that.
Now we gotta wait for the... I have a feeling I know what he's doing.
What? Talking.
No, he's probably at the Verizon store getting a new phone. And I get his old phone.
Oh, you do?
That'd be great. Have a lot more storage.
Well,
So you're getting a...
that was fun. There is going to be round 6. Sorry about all the rounds, but and one of the episodes that I've already made kind of already ended for y'all.